Welcome back to ST World. So today video is about 7 wonders of the world. First one is Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is a stone and earth fortification created to protect the borders of the Chinese Empire from invading Mongols. The Great Wall is actually a succession of multiple walls spanning approximately 4,000 miles, making it the world's longest man-made structure. Second one is Christ the Redeemer statue, Rio de Janeiro. The Art Deco style Christ the Redeemer statue has been looming over the Brazilians from upon Corcovado Mountain in an awe-inspiring state of eternal blessing since 1931. The 130-foot reinforced concrete and soapstone statue was designed by Itier da Silva Costa and cost approximately $250,000 to build. Much of the money was raised through donations. The statue has become an easily recognized icon for Rio and Brazil. Third one is Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is an Incan citadel set high in the Andes Mountains in Peru, above the Urubamba River Valley. Built in the 15th century and later abandoned, it's renowned for its sophisticated dry stones wall that fuse huge blocks without the use of mortar, intergoing buildings that play on astronomical alignments and panoramic views. Fourth one is Chichen Itza. The genius and adaptability of Mayan culture can be seen in the splendid ruins of Chichen Itza. This powerful city, a trading center for cloth, slabs, honey, and salt, flourished from approximately 800 to 1200 and acted as the political and economic hub of the Mayan civilization. And the fifth one is the Roman Colosseum. The Colosseum in Rome was built in the 1st century by order of the Emperor Vespasian. The Colosseum or Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, is an oval amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. Built of travertine limestone, tough and brick-faced concrete, it was the largest amphitheater ever built at the time and held 50,000 spectators. And the sixth one is Taj Mahal, Agra, India. A Muslim commenced for wife of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The Taj Mahal was built between 1632 and 1648, considered the most perfect specimen of Muslim art in India. The white marble structure actually represents a number of architectural styles including Persian, Islamic, Turkish and Indian. The Taj Mahal also encompasses formal gardens of raised pathways, sunken flower beds and a linear reflecting pool. And the last one is Petra, Jordan. Petra is a famous archaeological site in Jordan's southwestern desert. Dating to around 300 BC, it was the capital of the Nabatean kingdom. Accessed by a narrow canyon called El Siq, it contains tombs and temples carved into pink sandstone cliffs, earning its nickname the Rose City. Perhaps its most famous structure is 45-meter high El Khazne, a temple with an ornate Greek-style facade and known as the Treasury. So this is all about 7 wonders of the world. Hope this video will give some information about those, and please stay connected with ST World because we are going to upload some amazing video for you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe